The arms lift up overhead, press into the feet, lift those hips up towards the sky. And then slowly lower everything back down. We're going to bring the knees in towards our chest. You can grab behind the backs of the knees, grab those ankles. You can grab for the outer edges of your feet, pulling down for a breath. And then letting go, place the feet back down on the ground. Inhale, lift. Good. Exhale, lower. Inhale, pulling in. And kind of grab whatever feels most comfortable. We're pulling the knees down towards those shoulders. Lower back down. Inhale, lift. Just gentle, rhythmic moving, going back and forth. Exhale down. Pull those knees in on the inhale. Exhale, hold. Good. Place the feet down. Inhale, lift. Nice and gentle.